Ano na?
Yeah, we have had our share.
Hello, Sky.
Hey
Hello,
man, this is
Alex.
Jazz in the house.
Vitamin C.
Hindi naman ako mataba, di ba? Wala pa ako na yan.
Parang yung nakakalimutan ako.
Bakit nakakalimutan yan?
Have some burger.
I'm crush. Ano to eh? Big Brother house.
Ano yung Big Brother ko? So,
Parang Pinoy Big Brother. Bahay ni yung Master Jericho. Oo, bahay ni Master Jericho. Oh, sakit.
sino yun?
Kaya mo dito, Rosie?
Nag-isip pa ako, kaya makaisip ng teammate.
Saan ako kakain lang?
Diba?
Sarap? Yummy. Thanks for the sponsor. Thanks for that. Thanks to that. For that.
Are you an English teacher?
Thanks to the sponsor ba? O ato, tama to.
I will subscribe
Thanks
to
to
the
the sponsor for the burger.
At least I'm conscious of my mistake, you know.
Oh,
You can share my-
McDonald's quarter pounder.
April boy o ka desperado, John.
Go, go, go!
Sige na.
Isang banat na, friends.
Oo nga, isang desperado, John.
Makanta ka, mami?
Sure na.
Lunukin mo kagad.
Ma'am, I think this is yours. Alin ba?
Have you eaten yours?
Ang nga naman? Yes. Siyempre dito ko itatapon para makita ko sa camera.
Subscribe ako sa iyo.
O, sige, isang baka na.
Go, Sarah, come here.
Kung yung grammar mo contrasting, go Sarah, come here. Go and come. Confusing word.
Go and sing. Come here.
What? I forgot to show my new slippers the last time.
Oo nga pala.
Ah,
I'm not gonna share my burger.
it's okay, we already ate. I forgot the last time I showed these new slippers, the video was not uploaded. Technical problem. You know. Ayan lang yung phones.
Ubas na kulay orange with
Yes!
pink dolphin.
The dolphin. Because dolphins are cute and so am I.
Ganda ng
From a
pink.
distance.
From a distance? Parang may tricycle lang yan.
Rewa! Look at my lawit. Look at the accessory. Oh yeah. It's your face. Back to back.
Kata yan, umamin ka na rin.
And look at my
I love it.
screensaver. It's your face. Love you, Rewan.
Look at my...
I don't have lawit pala. Correction, I have no lawit.
On the spot. Okay, take it off. Look at my love.
Look at my lawit. They have lawets. Those two people have lawets. We don't have. We have the... I don't say that! Don't say that! Hindi ano!
Okay lang yun. Very late to. Nasabi na.
Hindi
Ano
ba
ba yan?
yan? Counting and Ellen.
We have the
Yes.
Yan, okay na yun.
Wala, si Ellen yung nagsabi nun
Defensive! Diyos ko dahil.
Wala si Ellen dito.
Masabi. Baka masensor tayo ni ano. Sino yun?
I love you, mahal.
Dali rin! Ano? Upo ka dito, John.
Dali!
Dali! Hindi nakita.
Ayaw ko yung inaano ko, nahihiya ako pag
Sige,
Ito yung susunod na sponsor namin, Coke.
Oh, yeah.
I would like to thank my slipper.
Higher.
Hindi ko makita.
Higher.
Ayun!
Yeah!
I would like to commemorate the late Raspberry.
Uy, hindi pa siya late. Early siya. Hindi siya na-traffic.
The late career.
Oh, closing time.
Hey!
Yeah.
Yung remember me. Ayaw ko
Ay,
si
boses
Elena.
lang, guys, boses yan.
Ayaw ko si Elena.
Go on lang. Let's continue with this one.
Oy, meron kayo cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Cheeseburger and fries!
Thank you.
My advance birthday.
Ano yan?
Burger.
It's from Mother.
Oh my god, this. I'm so happy, but
You know!
Oh, closing.
Hindi pa nakikita si ano.
Nandiyan na siya. Halika na.
Come on.
Oh, closing natin. G8 Rock.
thank you, Teacher Mel.
One.
Mr.
Yeah.
Mel.
G8 Rocks. 1, 2, 3. G8 Rocks.
T-Sax yun, ah.